To my Americans, try not to drool. To me salon people there, una know what's up, boy. It's okay. I'm gonna show you how to make jute leaf palava sauce. Yes. Okay, so first things first, you're going to put all your meat, your assorted meat in a pot, season it with all your favorite seasonings. Then over here, I blended pepper, onions, G-blocks, which is also garden eggs, okay? So after your meat is nice and seasoned, you pour it in there. Yes. Put it all inside there. I had to take a spoon and scoop it out and everything, but you know. Put it in your pot, let it all simmer. So let that sit in there for like a good 20 minutes. Get all the flavors inside, stir it up a bit. After that, you're gonna close your pot. Okay, no rush, I'm making no squash. Okay, so we all know how jute leaf works. Palava sauce is very, very, very watery. So what I typically do is put it in a strainer and have all the water out. Because if you don't do that, you'll be cooking your soup. You'll be cooking your pala sauce for hours because it has too much water. So make sure you drain it, okay? Once I drained it, I put it in a different container. This one is already drained. Then I poured in there. So after a few minutes, this is what your pot should be looking like. After you put, you know, the onions, the garden eggs, and the pepper. It looks so good. Okay, so now that extra water that you had, pour it in there just for the texture. Because some people like to do like put extra okra in and all of that. You don't need to do that. So I just put that to add more body to it. And then I put my palm oil. Okay. After you put your palm oil, again, you let it sit, let it simmer, let it oil cook and boil so all the flavors mix together. So cover your pot. Again, no wash, I'm making no squash. Okay. One thing that's always good when it comes to like potato leaf, cassava leaf, then cream, then is dry fish. So I wash my dry fish. Okay, I took the skin off, washed it, put it to the side because I'm gonna put it inside my pot and let all the flavors germinate. Meet all bang bang then safe. Okay, and then I'm gonna stir it up a bit. Again, let the flavors keep mixing in the pot. Hey, now it's time for the star of the show. Gonna pour in your jute leaf, palava sauce, cream, however you choose to call it. Put it inside the pot. Spread it about a bit. You know, let it make you stretch. Make you stretch inside the pot. Okay. So you pour it inside your pot, and then you leave it. Leave it. Don't find it's palava. I know it's palava sauce, but not find it palava. Thank you. Don't laugh at me, okay? This is my banana. My plantain fufu. Anyway, back to it. So after a while, the palava sauce is gonna spread around in your pot. This is what it's looking like. Okay, so you're almost there. So just let it dry a bit, and then literally this is all it takes to cook cream palava sauce. And the thing I love about this is with traditional African salon dishes, the steps are always the same. Pala sauce is different, but the steps are always the same. And I always say it's not about, you know, making it too fancy, technicality of things. Once you plus that sweets, like it's the go. So this is it, boo. And this is what it's looking like. I'm about to eat it with my plantain fufu and me cream. And I'm done. So if you like what you see, subscribe, hit the video, give me a thumbs up, and